Hi guys! So tonight I'm going to do an open cup pour technique. I love these. They are some of my favorite to do. I'm going to be using, well first let me just talk to you about the open cup. So all the open cup is, and I took a 3-ounce cup and I cut the bottom off and I'm just using the top. So I just cut it in half and I'll put it face down and we'll go from there. Fairly simple. The base coat is 4 parts Floetrol to 1 part, 3 parts Floetrol to 1 part Arteza paint in Flow White. And I added water to thin it down to almost a water consistency. I'm using Liquitex Blue Gray. I'm liking this color. It's given me a little bit of difficulty in the past with too much gray taking over, so we'll see what will come of it today. Mina Villegas and I were chatting and she said to put some dark on both sides of it and see how it does, and we'll see how we do. I've never done it with an open cup pour, so we'll test the waters. Next is my favorite golden color. It's anthracnone blue. It's really thick. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Yeah, there you go. I did about three parts Floetrol to 1 part of this paint. I'm also using Arteza's premium acrylic color in gold. I love the shine on this. I know it's in the plastic pouch, but it's really, really pretty in person. And I'll grab it so you guys can see. And this is about the consistency of the paints I'm gonna put into the cup. So this is about 4 parts Floetrol to 1 part of the paint. I can get away with using more Floetrol with the Arteza and heavy body paints. So we're gonna give it a go. I also have Golden's Iridescent Fine High Flow Gold, which I might incorporate. And I also have the Fluid Iridescent Gold Fine as well. Maybe I'll incorporate it. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do. But I do know for certain we're gonna be doing a open cup pour. So there's some kind of certainty in the long run. All right, so I'm going to put my cup, we'll just leave it right here. It's fine. And we're gonna put some water around, not water, the paint around the edges to cover it up. So it's somewhat vacuum sealed. And I think what I'm gonna do is start with this. And I'm gonna go right with the anthracnone blue. Definitely have my paints on the wrong side of me, so I gotta switch everything up because I'm right-handed. All right, a little bit of the gray. Some of the Arteza gold. A little bit of white. And I'm gonna do some more blue. Again, with an open cup pour, less is actually more. So you don't have to keep, oh, I'm out, oh, bummer. Anyways, you don't have to keep, look at the cells from that, that's crazy. So I'm just gonna use the fluid. With the open cup pour, it's really hard to judge what is enough and what is not enough. So if you do too much, then it takes over. If you do just a little, then it's good. I don't know, it's almost like a happy medium. It's almost, you can't control putting it in there because you always think you need more and you really, really don't. So, and one more bit of gold. And I want to do more white. So what I'm going to do is this. And put some around it to help move it across the canvas. All right. Just want to move it around and stretch it a little bit. I'm going to bring it back. I love it. It is really, really pretty. I wonder if I should just bring it down a little or just leave it. Maybe we'll just leave it. Okay. Definitely gonna leave it. All right, let me see here. Did not mean to do that. It's perfect just the way it is. So I think we're gonna keep it right here. I'll bring you guys in for some detail shots. All right. And I'm very happy with the way this came out. I stuck with very little gold, very little gray, so that it would not get muddled. All right, let's bring you guys in. All right, so here it is, guys. All this gold is gonna look so beautiful when it's dry. I mean, it looks pretty now, but for what I'm going for, all of this lacing in here and the cells. So cool. I did not use any decoart gold in this piece. And yes, I am feeling just fine. But it's so pretty. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a really great night. This piece makes me happy. Enjoy.